Cordial greetings to all. I hope you are very well. My name is Marci Daniela Mosquera Torres. I belong to group 430 of the English course under the accompaniment of the tutor Lili Tatiana Lozano. I show my identity document to corroborate that I am the same person, and I will start with task 4 of let's talk about future plans. I am 28 years old and I live in Cali with my husband Victor and my daughter Laia. One of my greatest achievements has been knowing that I'm living my whole life is in his hands, and thanks to him, I have been able to service in his ministry as a show vocalist. I have managed to grow as a person and fulfill many academic purposes, such as I have graduated with a bachelor degree from Hernando Navia Barón. I have graduated as a technician in voiceover for radio and television, and I have also graduated as a technician in commercial operations in chain store and Sena. I have managed to raise 10 the 10th semester of the University of the grade course in children's pedagogy and tends to take internships of the universities. I have been able to work as a teacher in a kindergarten and years, and I have some of my major goals are I will organize my schedule to fulfill and my responsibilities because currently I have to get up very early and go to bed very late to be able to fulfill everything, but I still feel that I go to bed very late, therefore I will have it earlier than usual. I have also started healthy, like improving my physical condition with my condition with exercise so that I can enjoy playing these games with my daughter and also have a better physical condition for her reasons. I will finish my degree in children's pedagogy and I will continue as a teacher. I am currently a teacher in the kindergarten group in kindergarten. I will learn language like English and French to be able to communicate with people from other countries, and also to have a better income, to be able to explore other countries in the long cultures. I will just my driver's license and learn to drive, because it's very important to travel to different places in your own car. Fi- Finally, at the age of I will travel to Paris, because it's planned, and I will celebrate my nice 15th birthday there. How my long-term goals are: I will continue with my ministry of speaking about Christ wherever. I am in Colombia, or if I'm in another country. I will just take visa to travel to many countries, and just to go different cultures. I will travel to the Netherlands and 5 years alive with my husband and my daughter, or I will to have a better quality of life, of the be able to financially fulfill my other goals like that. I will buy a second and third floor in their family house that is located in the Ulpiano Choreda neighborhood, where we would like my mother and my brother. Also in 10 years, I would like to rent my window box in the same place where we go married in Coveñas, Colombia. I will pay the best, and I will be financially free, since we currently have the debut of the cars, some cars that at any time we have to meet other men. I will take my daughter with my husband to Disney, and we will take a cruise in the Caribbean, because travel is important things where we like to do the most and family. Great things.